If you're looking for a new Italian sausage sandwich recipe, try Choripan. Choripan is an Argentine sandwich consisting of sausage and thick crusty bread. It's great on its own with chimichurri or any other topping, so if you're curious to learn more, keep watching. I'm ready to cook my Italian sausage. I have it on a broiling pan, which I've lined with aluminum foil both on the bottom and on the rack, and I very lightly coated the foil with sunflower oil. I use a toothpick to poke a hole into each side of the Italian sausage. My oven is on broil on high. Once it heats up for a few minutes, I'm going to put the Italian sausage in. The flame is right here, so I think by putting them around the flame, I'll be able to cook them without having them burst. And now I'm going to toast the bread for the Italian sausage sandwiches. Usually choripan is with a really crusty bread on the outside and soft on the inside. I am using white sub rolls because that is what was on sale. So this is a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. It's not greased or anything. I'm just going to try and toast it on the inside to get it a little bit brown. So this is what they look like after 6 minutes. I'm going to flip them and put them back in. So now it's time to make the Italian sausage sandwich or the choripan. Choripan is something very simple in Argentina. It's something you eat when you go to a soccer game or when you're at someone's house for a barbecue for un asado. So it could literally just be the chorizo and the bread. And speaking of the chorizo, the Italian sausage, it broiled for 12 to 15 minutes. On high, I had to play musical sausages, so to speak, because the smaller links were right under the flame and they cooked a bit faster. But honestly, I think they turned out pretty well. Like I said, choripan is usually something that's very simple. Could just be the sausage and the bread. But if you do spice it up, it's usually just with chimichurri. Chimichurri is a garlic parsley sauce. The video is doing very well, and people who have made it have told me that they've loved it. It's very authentic, so if you have not seen that video, please go check it out. This is actually the same chimichurri from the video, the green and the red chimichurri. It's a week old at this point, and it's still looking pretty good, so it has a fairly good shelf life. And this is the salsa criolla. It's tomato, green bell pepper, and onion. Usually it's very oily, but I make a version that was inspired by Mexican pico de gallo, so I think this is better. And also sometimes you see the sausage with chimichurri and lettuce and tomato. Very often the sausage is served mariposa or butterflied, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to take one of the sausages. Got a lot on this counter. Just going to cut it down the middle here. Let's go for the chimichurri. I prefer the green chimichurri. You can use the red if you want. There's no chimichurri if you want as well. It's up to you. There is the choripan. And now for the salsa criolla. My salsa criolla recipe is really simple. I take one Roma tomato and scoop out the seeds, chop it up finely, and weigh it. I add half of the weight in onion and half of the weight in green bell pepper. Although in Argentina, people usually add liquid in a combination of 3 parts oil to 1 part red wine vinegar to cover the vegetables, I do something different. I do half lemon juice and half apple cider vinegar. Otherwise, in my opinion, it's just too oily, especially if you eat it with chimichurri. One thing I wanted to point out is that the name Choripan is formed by combining chorizo, sausage, and pan, the word for bread. In fact, there are other meat sandwiches in Argentina formed the same way. For example, a morcipan is morcilla, blood sausage, and bread, and a vacío pan is flank steak and bread. Also, you may be wondering if you can use Mexican chorizo. You definitely could, but I feel like Italian sausage, a mild Italian sausage, is closer to Argentine chorizo. Maybe I should make Argentine chorizo in a future video. 3 types of Italian sausage sandwiches, 3 types of choripan. If you're tired of the standard Italian sausage sandwich with peppers, give a choripan a try. With chimichurri and salsa criolla, it's a meal you won't soon forget. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more information about this and other recipes, please visit my website, parnellthechef.com, and don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!